Have you ever wondered that your phone doesn't work as it was a brand new phone? Hey guys, I'm Dhanush here from AlphaTech, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make your phone faster. So let's begin. There are so many ways that you can make your Android phone faster, but the most effective way is to reduce the animations. To reduce the animations, first you need to open settings. In settings, you can find additional settings. In that, you can see developer options. If you don't know how you can enable developer options, you can go to About Phone and then tap 4 times on the build number. Now you have successfully enabled the developer options. Now go back to developer options and scroll down until you find the animations. Put all of these three to 0.5. After you've done that, go to the bottom of the developer options and tap on background process limit and put that to maximum 4 processes. Now you have successfully reduced the animations of your Android smartphone. And the second tip is to put your phone on high performance mode. If you don't know how to put your phone on high performance mode, you need to open settings and then go to your battery settings. In battery settings, you can find high performance mode. If you enable it, it may reduce some battery, but it gives you the performance. The third tip to make your phone faster is to uninstall the unused apps. So to uninstall the unused apps, you can open Play Store and tap on 3 lines on top left corner and tap on My Apps and Games. You can see Install Apps. When you tap on Install Apps, it will show you storage. When you open storage, it shows you the apps you don't use. And tap on those apps and click Uninstall. And the fourth tip is to use the lightweight version of the apps you use. If you use Twitter Lite, or if you use Facebook or Messenger, use the light versions of those apps. To install those apps, you can open Play Store and search for Twitter Lite. The Twitter Lite is just about 1.1 MB, which uses less resources, so it does not consume lot of battery and also makes your phone feel faster. And the tip number 5 is to update your phone regularly. Sometimes the update contains bug fixes and many other aspects to make your phone faster. So you need to update your phone. To update your phone or check for the update, you need to open settings and then go to software update. It will show you the installed update and the required update of your phone. And the sixth tip is to remove the unused or unwanted widgets from your home screen. Widgets use lots of resources and consumes a lot of battery and also makes your phone feel slow. So you should remove the unused widgets from your home screen. It makes your phone a lot faster. And the last tip is to reboot your phone often. Sometimes your phone needs some fixes. If you reboot your phone, it will fix itself. So you should reboot your phone twice a week.